G'day everyone, my name's Chris.
And I'm Lee from Canon Australia.
Today we're going to be talking to you about the new top-of-the-range compact camera, the PowerShot G1X Mark II. The PowerShot G1X Mark II replaces the original G1X and is the best quality compact camera we've ever produced. A true photographer's camera, it features a large 1.5-inch CMOS sensor, 5 times wide-angle zoom and a DIGIC 6 processor for SLR quality shots. There are also a number of features that respond directly to the needs of photographers who are looking for a compact, high-quality camera that will allow them to flex their photographic skills.
So let's first look at the quality of the G1X Mark II. Canon have designed the lens, the imaging sensor and the processor to work in harmony to produce the best possible quality. We call this the HS system.
So, starting off with the lens, which is the most crucial part of the camera. Our engineers have drawn on 75 years of optical expertise to produce the most sophisticated high-quality lens that we've ever put in a compact camera. Offering a 5 times zoom, the focal length of the camera ranges from 24mm at the wide end right up to 120mm at the telephoto end. Importantly, the camera maintains a fast aperture across the range, starting with a fast f2.0 at 24mm and f3.9 at telephoto. The iris diaphragm is constructed from 9 blades, which when set to maximum aperture allows for beautiful circular bokeh in background blur, making it great for portraits. Additionally, the lens uses the inner focusing method. This essentially means the lens doesn't need to move very far when focusing, giving better AF speed, and also you can focus on subjects from as little as only 5 cm away. So it's great for macro photography.
The Canon designed CMOS sensor in the original G1X was a standout feature of that camera, offering SLR level quality, dynamic range and low light performance. An updated 50 megapixel 1.5-inch type sensor is incorporated into the G1X Mark II and implemented to make optimum use of the high quality optics.
In the G1X Mark II, the sensor has been positioned so that 3:2 shooting effectively uses the far widths of the lens, allowing for superb wide-angle shots and landscapes. In a similar way, 4:3 shooting makes more effective use of the top and the bottom extents of the lens. The final piece of the HS system is DIGIC 6, our fastest and most technologically advanced imaging processor yet. Improvements in processing speeds means that more complex algorithms can be incorporated to reduce noise. For example, when shooting movies, DIGIC 6 is able to process 9 times as much data than before. The result of this is that 1600 ISO shooting exhibits the same amount of noise as 400 ISO in the original G1X.
And for those that prefer the raw workflow, the HS system in the G1X Mark II outputs in 14-bit format.
So the absolute best quality is assured when you're using the camera. But what about the handling? Being a true photographer's camera, we have included a number of manual controls that will enable you to tailor the camera to your photography style. Firstly, the G1X Mark II features dual control rings. The first ring is a step ring, which moves in set increments, and the second ring is a continuous ring for very, very fine adjustments. For example, you can set the step ring to control the aperture in AV mode, and use the continuous ring to manually focus.
In all shooting modes, you can use the continuous ring for full-time manual focus, with the shutter button pressed halfway down. This is a great tool for getting your focus point exactly where you want it, for example in macro shots or for portraits.
On the back of the camera, the control dial again can be tuned to your specification, and the inclusion of a touchscreen makes it easy to navigate through the menus. For those who prefer to use a viewfinder, and useful in sunny conditions, an optional add-on electronic viewfinder is available, which also shows the shooting information. And because you are looking at exactly what the lens is seeing, you can be sure of framing your subject correctly.
Another add-on option that is available is the grip, which gives photographers, especially those with larger hands, a better hold on the camera. So, as you can see, we've raised the bar with the PowerShot G1X Mark II. It's the most sophisticated digital compact camera we've ever produced.
We definitely encourage you to get down to your local camera store and get the camera in your hands and add it to your kit bag. For more information, jump on our website. Until then, goodbye.
Goodbye.